Welcome to Flow and Flourish. Love banana smoothies? Today, I've got 3 delicious versions you'll want to try. A creamy vegan smoothie, a protein-packed fuel-up, and a light, weight-loss friendly option. No matter what your lifestyle, I've got you covered. Let's blend. 1. Vegan Banana Smoothie. Hey plant-based fan. Let's whip up a creamy, dairy-free banana smoothie in under 2 minutes. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup oat or almond milk, 1 tablespoon almond butter or peanut butter, 1 teaspoon maple syrup, optional, a dash of cinnamon, ice cubes. Add everything into your blender and blend until smooth and creamy. That's it. Creamy, clean, and 100% vegan. Perfect for breakfast or a snack on the go. 2. Protein-Packed Banana Smoothie. Fuel up with this protein banana smoothie, perfect for pre or post-workout. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, 3/4 cup milk or almond milk, 2 tablespoons Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, ice or frozen banana slices. Blend until smooth and thick, it's like dessert with gains. Serve, packed with protein and flavor. Great for muscle recovery and staying full. 3. Weight loss friendly banana smoothie. Trying to slim down but still want something sweet? This banana smoothie's got you. Ingredients: 1 banana, half a cup unsweetened almond milk, half a cup low-fat Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, cinnamon for taste, ice cubes. Blending, low-cal, high-nutrient, and super satisfying. Blend it all up. Serve. This smoothie supports your goals without sacrificing taste. Want more healthy hacks? Hit that follow and drop a comment if you're making this.